Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial of colorful liners, and today I will teach you the pink liner from the eyeshadow. And I have taken the lightest pink color for the transition shade, and with the help of big blending brush going to blend it over the eyelid. As you can see, the key to blend any eyeshadow over the eyelid of anybody, you just have to be very soft with your brushes, be very humble, and do your makeup in a very calmness mind. It's the biggest key to do makeup on anybody. Just be calm and be positive when you do makeup, because your positivity gives the effect on client face, client look. The way you are feeling is directly proportional the way you give in to the client. So keep that thing remember in your mind if you want to do best in your makeup. So be calm and be positive. Now taking the liner brush, it's the thin liner brush we are using, and the darkest pink color of eyeshadow through which we made the liner with the help of Kryolan mixing solution, and draw a wing. Kryolan का mixing solution will enhance the durability of the product, increase the hours of the stain. It will increase the stain capacity basically. Now trying to connecting it. As you can see, giving a finishing touch. These type of eye makeups you can use in any occasional functions or any party wear kind of makeup if you want very minimal makeup, but make sure your eye doesn't have to be hooded, because on hooded eye liner doesn't go. You will never apply the liner on hooded eye. So if you know that which type of eye makeup goes on different type of eye makeups, you can see our theory video mentioned in the description of the channel. Now applying the eyeshadow of pink color to give in the mattifying effect or to pop out the liner color. Now revealing the final look after lashes, you can see. Moving on, next step we are using Charm Walk Beauty का HD gel kajal pencil, applying it over the lower lash line, the waterline. White color will be used for those who want to uh, show their eyes in a bigger way, like who want, okay, I wanted my eyes to look big. So for those you can use the white liners or white kajal. Now with the same eyeshadow, smudging over the eyelid, the same eyeshadow you have taken for to make your eyeshadow and liner form. You can see we are using the lightest color. How connected it feel now. Using the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, and applying it over the lower lash line to complete the look. Now revealing the final look. So here is the final look after everything done. So if you love our work, then support us applying the highlighter and subscribe our channel. प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि आपको अपकमिंग वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें. टिल देन, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, be consistent with our videos, practice every makeup, and learn the theory. One day you will be able to do any type of makeup. So thank you so much. Bye bye.